Students, now we are going to talk about joint probabilities. Joint probabilities are the probabilities that two separate events from two separate probability distributions are both true. We place both in capital letters and write it as joint probability of A and B, or the probability that A is true and B is true. Important point to remember here is that order does not matter. For probability distributions x and y, where x is equal to x1, x2 up to xn and y is equal to y1, y2, y3 up to yn, ordering does not matter in joint probabilities. For either the probability distributions or the individual events, probability of xy is equal to probability of yx and probability of x1 y1 is equal to probability of y1 x1, that is one and the same thing. Now let's talk about independent events. If two probability distributions are independent, then knowing the outcome of one does not change the probability of the other. Let the two independent events occur, that is tossing a coin and throwing a dice. Both occur at the same time. Probability of tossing a coin to get head is 50%, that is 1 over 2. By throwing a die, coming up 3, probability of coming up 3 will be 1 over 6. So what will be the joint probability? Probability of x1 y1 is equal to probability of x1 into probability of y1, that is 1 over 2 into 1 over 6, which will be 1 over 12. So the probability of two independent events is probability of x1 y1 is probability of x1 into probability of y1, that is probability of joint distribution is equal to product of the distribution. Venn diagram is useful in capturing the concept of odd probability. How? Let's see. What is the probability that our coin comes up head, and we are looking at the probability that either one event occur or the other event occur or both the events occur. We are interested in the probability that the coin comes up head or the die comes up with 3. When we add two circles, then we get the covered area twice. To avoid that, we subtract the central area from the sum of the two circles. So, we subtract the joint probability, which as we know is equal to the product of probabilities, that is equal to 1 over 12 in our case. So, the probability that either the coin comes up head or the die comes up 3 would be 1 by 2 plus 1 by 6 minus their product 1 by 12, which is equal to 7 by 12. So probability of x1 or y1 is equal to probability of x1 plus probability of y1 minus probability of x1 y1, that is their product. So that is all about joint probabilities.